Hi, I'm Derek with Liminal. In this video, I'll show you how to create custom target account lists, generate account strategy plans, and launch campaigns with personalized outreach messaging using Liminal GTM. I'll start in GTM, Target Accounts. Here I can filter within a list of thousands of accounts in the Liminal platform. I'll specifically choose a game plan to narrow this focus. We do account scoring based on a weighted algorithm of ICP fit and intent data. I can adjust the weights for more granular tuning of the underlying variables. We have an article we'll link in the description for how this is calculated. I'm going to apply some filters here. Once I've generated a list, I can launch a campaign by selecting a number of accounts. I'm going to select top 10, launch campaign. My strategy for this campaign will be new logo acquisition. Here I'm given an estimate for liminal credits that can be expended on this campaign to include account strategy plans for each account, as well as matching verified contacts for outreach. I'll confirm and launch the campaign, and after some processing time, I'll be able to confirm the results. Clicking over to campaigns, I can see the accounts in this list. Under each, we've created an account strategy plan tailored for this use case in this vertical with my product selling to this company. Which I can download and share with my team. Using liminal personas, we've also matched contacts that fit the criteria for this campaign. And we've generated specific tailored outreach for each for email, InMail, and phone call talking points. My organization admin can use the integrations manager to link Liminal GTM with my team's CRM. We support Salesforce and HubSpot. I can sync this campaign with my CRM or download a CSV of messaging to link with my campaign software. So that's target accounts, account strategy plans, verified enriched contacts for unique personalized messaging. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.